everyone, my name is Ramandeep Kaur and today I'm taking this opportunity to explain about my businesses and the services that I do provide. So I'm currently running two businesses by the name of Pristine PPC Solutions and Pristine Tech School. To start with, I would mention that Pristine PPC Solution is an online marketing agency wherein we use the digital marketing strategies to promote the businesses on online media. So what we do, we just start from the very scratch. For example, we start building the logos or the all the banners that any business would need to promote them online, and then we create a marketing strategy and then we start working on it. We use all the methods or all the strategies that anyone can think of when it comes to the digital marketing. For example, search engine optimization, social media marketing, social media optimization, or let's say the paid marketing, PPC, Google AdWords, which is now Google Ads, or the Bing Ads, LinkedIn, like all the platforms that we use. And what we are doing best is that we create a customized plan according to the business. So not all the marketing would work best for all the businesses. So the very first step is to create a strategy, and we work very closely on that, and we have a team of experts working on that. If I have to say about my journey, I would say that I started working on a freelancer as a freelancer, and I'm very glad to say that today we have people working all over the globe with us. And we have teams sitting in the Philippines, we have one team sitting in the US. Some of them are working as Google Ads account managers, some of them are into the sales process. So there are different platforms that we use to promote the businesses, and we have different specialists working for each of that platform. While the process, while this marketing thing was going on, and we earned a specialization that is a Google Partner Badge, and we are registered and we are legitimate Google Partner Agency, and our specialization is on the search, display, mobile, e-commerce, and the video platforms like the YouTube promotions and all that. And I'm really looking forward to achieve much more similar badges in the future, and we are continuously working towards it. We have a team of highly motivated and highly result-oriented professionals who would work very closely on any of the businesses to make it grow, to generate more leads, to generate more revenues for the clients, and we own any of the business as if it's like we work as if we are working on our own promotions, and we make every advertising dollar worth it. And also while this marketing thing was going on and the Google partner thing was going on, one thing that I noticed in my own area, that people, they are going to other places like in the metro cities to learn, or let's say to do job, I would say, because there were limited, I would not say there are limited opportunities, but I don't know, this is a trend that people are shifting away from their home city or home location that they are into. So then I thought of just creating a platform where they can earn and learn at the same time. So that's where Pristine Tech School came into the picture. So we started into the education field, and I hired best of the best professionals to teach digital marketing, programming languages. Like, it was into the computer field initially, and now we are also planning to enter into the field of language training, like English language, spoken English, and personality development, so that every citizen, every person in this particular area do not have to leave their home or do not have to go to anywhere else and compromise on their work-life balance to learn something or earn something, in other words. So yes, we are very much looking forward to the upcoming ventures that we are planning to do. And yeah, that is it as of now, and thank you so much.